All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Beautiful sun this morning. That's something I've thought I'd never say. It's like an orange sun in the sky this morning. Anyways, I was at this different job site this morning. My coworkers were working on installing an identical fan on the left as they were on the right. But I ended up leaving the job site after working down below. Went back to the other job site, but I'll show you that in a second. So basically what we had to do, there's these oil tanks, and some of them were leaking, but actually the one on the right side was leaking, but there was a busted pipe that someone hit with a backhoe or a little skid steer. So worked on repairing that with the guy that I've been working with, my boss, I guess you could say, or one of the guys at my company. So I guess, or maybe the foreman, you could say, but there's this busted pipe right here. So we basically just worked on repairing the pipe and then taking the old wires out. I guess it's just kind of an abandoned pipe, but just safing it off and just repairing the pipe in case they want to reuse it down in the future. So there's this was at like a rock crusher quarry. This was a giant furnace, which like melts asphalt and stuff like that. So super cool stuff here, big old towers and stuff. And then after that, which was like probably an hour maybe, I cruised on over down the street to the other job site, back at the tire factory, I guess you could say, tire fixing place. Basically they retread tires, semi-truck tires and stuff like that. So I was up in the aerial lift for a little bit today. Once my coworkers finished installing that fan, they came over as well, and we worked on pulling some wire in the ceiling. I'm not sure what this is for, but it's for like starts. I don't know what kind of wire it is, but it's for stop-start buttons on. I don't even know what they're for exactly, but they're for some of these machines, which you'll see here in a second. But this is an overview of the factory from the aerial lift. Actually, it's not an aerial lift, kind of like a boom lift, but I'll show you what that looks like in a little bit. Here's a video of my coworker's mohawk blowing in the fan. Thought that was pretty funny, so I'm going to send that to him. But anyways, at the end of the day, I shot some video for you guys of what I was working on by myself when my coworkers were gone. So once again, piped out of this box here with that reverse offset from the strut into the box. Did a couple 90s. I was going to do a back-to-back 90, but there's like 6 inches left on the pipe, so I didn't have enough room to bend it. But anyways, a 90-90 out, and piped a couple boxes here on the strut for the lights, which we don't have yet. So just got these all ready and powered up. So once we get the lights, just screw them up to the strut and then plug them in. And then over there on the left side, I took down one of the hanging lights, which kind of got skipped over here real quickly. But I took that down at the end of the day, and then worked on adding these 3 plates right here for, I think it's fire alarm. I'm not sure what it is exactly, but these low voltage cables worked on adding these plates. So I had to drill one hole in each of them, and then basically just cut them with the bandsaw because the wire was already there. So I just slipped the plate over the wire, screwed them down. So I did that, which took a little bit of time for those 3, and I had to use the boom lift for that as well. And then, like I said earlier, worked on pulling that wire up in the ceiling, which you will see again here in a second up there. This is how high the ceiling is in a second, but these are the 2 machines that we were pulling the wire in. Actually, yeah, so you'll probably see the ceiling here, how high it is, and this is the boom lift that I was using right here to do all of that with the harness. All right, everyone, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Hopefully everything made sense, even though it was kind of out of order a tiny bit. But anyways, that's going to do it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. As always, if you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. I'd appreciate it, and it would help the channel grow. Anyways, the giveaway ends here. Once this video uploads, the video giveaway will end in about an hour. It'll be over in about an hour and 15 minutes at 6 p.m. Western time, Pacific Standard Time. So make sure you're entered for that, for the $50 giveaway on Cash App or PayPal. And yeah, that will do it. Check the description down below for anything else like social medias, my second YouTube channel, or video playlist. And then hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. I'm going to be doing the live stream giveaway closer to 6 as soon as I can, because I have to be somewhere like 6:30 to 7. So as soon as the giveaway ends, I'm going to go through the comments, delete all the spam, and then I'm going to go live as soon as possible, announce the winner, and then head out to where I got to go. So make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified if you want to watch the live stream giveaway winner tonight, real shortly here, about in an hour, like I said. Otherwise, that's going to do it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you in a little bit on the live stream. Peace out.